Hello everyone, welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to calculate percentage using formulas in Microsoft Word table. Many users don't realize that Word tables support built-in formulas similar to Excel. With this feature, you can automatically calculate percentages for mark sheets, invoice, reports, result sheets, attendance records, and other structured document without switching to Excel. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and office users who want quick and accurate calculations directly inside Words. So let's get started. We can see here our document, and the document last have a mark sheet for Haji Jahangir School and College. You can see here the name of student Aziz, score in Bangla 50 or English 90, Math 51 or Economy 50. Now I make the marks of this Aziz or Hamim or Jamil or Rocky. You can apply the process here. Now I apply the formula. Click the marks cell, then press Ctrl plus F9 to edit the second bracket. Then write the mark of the students. Here the total marks in 191. Now I am write the is equal to, then type 191, then type the slash or divided sign, then type your total subject. Now here the three subject. Then click right button on our mouse and click this update field to make the percentage. We can see here the percentage is 63.67. Now we make this all cell easily that this process. Now I go another cell, press again the Ctrl F9 and added the is equal to sign, then type your total number 174 on the Hamim score, then type slash and the type her subject, then right button and update the field. We can see here the marks is 58. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.